without a computer, a person without a smartphone, in this day and age, really it's unthinkable. Using computers and computing has become a very common thing. I can't even imagine life without a computer. In this course, I'll explain various components in a desktop computer. There are similar items in a laptop and a smartphone too. Sizes and types vary. So I'll give you a high-level view of key components of a computer and then elaborate on each of these in other courses in the series. Now in this course, I'm going to go ahead and discuss how to assemble a PC step by step. So I'll demonstrate the various steps that you're going to need to follow. Now I'm going to be covering these details at a pretty high level, so don't get too worried about it, but the details of each of the major components we're going to cover in specific modules about each. Now we're also going to discuss in this course some common post-assembly troubleshooting scenarios, like if the boot disk is not detected. For a computer to get connected to the internet, it must have a network interface card. A network interface card, or NIC, makes the connection between the computer and the network cable. A sound card is an expansion card that allows you to input and output audio signals to and from a computer. In this course, you will learn about various devices that can be connected to a computer, how they can be connected, and how to troubleshoot them. Troubleshooting is a huge subject. There are so many ways that your computer can go wrong. In this course, I'll focus on some of the most common problems that may occur. These problems are related to the motherboard, the CPU, and RAM. In the series, there's another course related to storage. And we'll also have courses about operating systems and other software-related issues. However, in this course, you're going to learn about problems that you can come across while trying to boot up a computer or when a computer shuts down without a warning. Now, these kinds of problems usually point to something hardware-related. So you're going to learn about the symptoms and how to identify problems. I'll also go over how to learn if you can repair a problem and how to go about it. Or, if you can't repair it, we'll discuss what you have to do. Remember, in this course, you're only going to learn about the most common issues, and not all of them. Now, the focus will be on the motherboard, CPU, and RAM, and perhaps only a few associated components. So let's get started. Among all the components of hardware in a computer, the hard disk is the most important and valuable asset. If the hard disk fails, you lose data. In this course, I'm going to discuss the common problems that occur with hard drives and how to fix them. Now, these issues can occur in 4 different ways: during installation of a hard drive, after installation, a dying hard drive, and RAID issues. I'll be discussing the use of a CMOS setup for troubleshooting while installing the hard disk drive. I will also discuss various common symptoms that can occur after installation. Now, these symptoms can occur while booting and when a hard drive is dying. Now, finally, I will discuss various tools that we can use, such as file recovery, Windows file restoration, and the defragmentation tool. Let's get started.